Assalamu alaikum. How are you all, dear listener? I hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. I am fine also. Today we are going to learn a single word with synonym, antonyms, and with examples, along with its pronunciation from the dictionary. We know that if we want to learn a language to use in our daily life, firstly we should learn more vocabularies of the definite language, because without vocabularies we cannot think the learning of the language. So now we are going to learn word with a strategic system, because we should follow some different method to learn vocabularies. Although we learn word every day in different ways, but we forget it again. Now we will start a strategic system from today. If we practice in this system every day and we use in our daily speaking, then we can able to gather more words in our treasure. So don't want late, let's start learning. Wait a second. Firstly, I am writing the word in search box to search the word from dictionary. Okay, done.
Definitely.
I have written the word in search box. Listen the pronunciation of the word.
Definitely. Definitely.
Definitely,
Definitely.
definitely,
Definitely.
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 Its Bengali meaning is স্পষ্টভাবে or বিস্তারিতভাবে. Now we will learn some antonyms of the word. Maybe, percents, perhaps are antonym of the words. Now we want to learn some synonym of the word. Its synonyms are clearly, expressly, plainly, sheer, plain. Okay, thank you all for joining with us in this system. Now we will listen pronunciation of these synonyms. Firstly,
Clearly.
clearly. The second is
Expressly.
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 The third one,
Plainly.
plainly. The next one is sheer, and the last one, plain.
Plain.
Plain. Okay, thank you for learning this system. I will call you all to practice more and more and to listen these videos 5 or 6 times daily. Then you will be able to learn this word with synonym and antonyms, and you can practice more and more words in this system. If you are be benefited from these videos, please subscribe our channel, like and comment this tutorial. Thank you all. Be fine until come back. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.